Well, good day. TripleChip here. Time to do another unboxing. I picked up this T-fal OptiGrill. Kind of like the George Foreman, but a much better machine. You get this at Amazon.ca for $170.21. I think I probably paid cheaper. I've had this stored for a while. Just found it the other day. It's got a manual mode with 4 temperature settings. So it just shows you how you can do the different degrees of meat the way you want them, like from a rare to like more of a well done. Basically, you can call it a panini press. It's kind of the same thing that you see in certain restaurants, but it's the OptiGrill. It says it's got a cooking level indicator, which is right here. What else was check about it? The seared meat is juicy and tender. Controlled cooking for delicious and healthy eating. There's another little picture that kind of shows you an example if you're doing steaks in there. But I'm going to use this for sandwiches and stuff to get the grill lines on it. So the back's about the same as the front. Just shows you a little bit more. There's presets for doing hamburgers, chicken, cake, sausages, pork chops, and fish. It's a nice little unit. We'll just open it up and I'll show you what you get in here. Another fine little kitchen appliance. This one looks really nice. Looks like I'm just going to have to shake this one out of the box. Okay, so whoa! Look at this. Whoa! He's ready to go. Okay, good thing I was holding the handle. Would have been OptiGone, not an OptiGrill. Okay, so you already see what the inside looks like. That's where you just do not put your hand or something in there. You'll be sorry. Okay. I don't have a big kitchen counter as I'm currently still working on this kitchen. We'll just set it on the side here. This doesn't really sit there. I'll put it on the stove here, it'll work better. Okay, let's just cut this open and see how big our cord is on this. We've got these little twisty ties on here. Just bear with me, see if I can. Wow, I think I'm twisting it the wrong way. Okay. No, that was the right way. Is this really? What the heck? Maybe I was doing it backwards. Okay, this way. There we go, bingo. Fairly short cord on this one too, maybe 2.5 feet long. Okay, so what you get in there. Looks like you got a grease tray here. So that's just gonna go. It sits in this bottom portion here. That's just gonna slide in there. It's gonna catch any of your drippings. There's all your different buttons on the front to show you on the box. This is gonna change different colors depending on what it's gonna be set to. Okay, there's one other thing in the box here. Wow. They give you a lot of manuals. So you got a nice big, look how thick that is. That's your grilling book that shows you a bunch of different recipes, plus your manuals and stuff. So that's about it for this one. Maybe later on I'll show you when I get this working. I'll show you doing up some type of meal in this. But this looks really nice. It's a really nice product. You just put burgers even in there, and then all your drippings will just go into there. So make sure you got the grease tray on though. Okay, that's about it for this one. I always wanted one of these. Wife's been wanting one of these too, so we finally got one. So maybe down the road we'll show you some different recipes with this in the future. So until next time, it's just an unboxing. If I do one, I'll leave a link later on sometime. And that'll be on my Down the Hatch 2 channel. But as for now, it's just an unboxing. So that's been it for this one. If you like watching these videos, click that bell icon. It'll pop right up when the next one's coming. So that's it for this. Vlog's over. Catch you next one.